precious day for me. I keep it as treasure in my life. And last 2 years we have been celebrating it. Actually, I don't deserve for that, but still, it's a love and affection. And I also take one resolution that now onwards a new beginning will be there, and I will try that I should not betray from my own action to anyone, even the staff members, the parents, and even the student service. Thank you.
The wish written for Sir. Today, it is your special day. We are happy and gay. We wish all happiness must come in your way. Take the days and decades to celebrate so that we can learn metacognition and mental state. God, the wish.